Guys, my name is Satya and in this video we will be talking about loops in Python. So let us begin. So first of all, there are basically two basic loops in Python. So the first one is for loop, and the second one is while loop. Okay. So these are the two basic loops or two different types of loops in Python. And coming to this, this assignment, we will be creating a program which will just display the multiplication table of a given number. All right. So which actually means we are taking an input of an integer from the user, and we are creating the multiplication table and printing it. That's it. Okay. So for this we will be using loops, and well, let's begin. So the topic is multiplication table. All right. So the topic is multiplication table, and so first of all we will begin with a for loop. So we'll be beginning with for, and let us start from here. Okay. So first of all, we have to take the input. Okay. So let us take the input by saying print. We will just give the statement to the user. Enter the number. Okay. Enter the number. Okay, for which you want the multiplication table. You can modify it however you want. So anyways, this is it. This is the print statement, and to take the input as an integer we have to specify it. So let us take some variable x equals to integer, since we are taking integer of input. Okay. So now we are taking input, and now what next? So after we take the input, uh, we will have to run a for loop. Okay, like for I in range. So you must be remembering the range function, right? So why I in range of 1, starting from 1 comma uh, 1 comma 11. Okay, 11, because the range function will work from this number, the initial number, to the second number minus 1. Okay. So the sequence which will be printed, or which will be ran, will be 1 to 10, 1 to 11 minus 1. So colon to specify the indent, to start the indent. And now we will just print x into I. Okay, I is the numbers, integers 1 to 10. So this is it, right? So this is the multiplication table. So first of all, the system will ask us to enter the input. Well, let's wait. All right, so we are giving the input as 15. Since I just want the, well, let's take a smaller number, 5. Okay, so 5, input is 5. So 5 into 1 is 5, 10, 15. So the table of 5 is printed here, but is it visually appealing? No, right? So let's just make it visually a little bit appealing. So now we will be modifying the print statement as print of x comma into star mark, and comma x into x into x plus 1, which is x into I, right? So x into I comma equals to comma x plus x into 1. So now this must be a little bit like the way we read. Okay, now the same thing, the same number, 5 into 1 equals to 5. So now the multiplication table has been created. Okay, so this is how we use the for loop to create the multiplication tables. And we can also change the second argument. I mean, if we want until 20, we can actually write here 20 and etc. Okay, if you want, we can also take another input of y. Well, let's do that. Okay, I mean the threshold one, wherein we will be changing this 11 with y. Okay, we will place here y, and we will take one more input, and that will be also user optional. Okay, so we can actually do this using the while loop also. So let's try with while. Okay, so most of the code will be the same. So let me just copy and paste this first two lines wherein we will be taking the input. Okay, so control V. Alright, so now the input has been taken over here also. So since this is a while loop, we are using while and some variable, random variable y. Okay, while y is less than 11. Okay, which means the threshold is 10, right? So while y is less than 11, enter. But what is y? We didn't write. So okay, so now let me just initiate y with y equals to 1. Okay, so y equals to 1, and while y is less than 11, so the loop will continue until the y becomes 11. Okay, and then we will be printing it. Print the same thing. Okay, the same thing. But the only difference is here we are not using the what do you call, we are not using I, but instead we are using y. Okay, so just substitute the I with y, x into y. Okay, and after this we just need to increment the value of y equals to y plus 1. Okay, so now get out of the loop and run this code, I mean run this cell. Okay, so the output must be the same. So the output must be the same as we have expected. Five table has come. Okay, so if I want another table, we just need to run it again. Well, let us check for the 15 table of 15. Okay, 1 5, enter. So 15 table is here. Okay, so this is how we use loops in Python, and thank you.